downtown here in Tagum. It's clearly night out. It's almost 9 o'clock p.m. and we're just going into Rotary Park. It's one of the many parks here in Tagum where there's something going on. We're just not quite sure what it is, right?
Yeah, we'll see what's in there.
We're gonna go see what's
I hear
in.
music.
Yeah, we hear music. We know there's vendors, so we're gonna go check it out, and we're obviously inviting you to come along. Look at those beautiful palm trees. There's what?
Basketball, I think.
Like a tournament.
I guess this way.
It looks like there's just a whole bunch of plants for sale.
It's like a flower.
Princess Ornamental Garden. Desdem Fruit and Forest Nursery. Oh. That future durian tree?
Yeah. That's seedlings.
Yeah, okay. So durians. Wow, rambutan. There's calamansi.
What's longkong?
What's longkong? I don't know. But they have all sorts of seedlings here you can take home and plant, and dwarf coconut. That'd be kind of cool. Neat. If you had a little bit of property, which we don't have very much of, you can plant a whole bunch of these, and in a few years have quite a bit of fruit. Yeah, if we had just a little bit more yard. Want to go to New City Hall? So, you think the people at New City Hall, or New City Hall? Oh, we were just at New City Hall the other day. Sorry, I was thinking Old City Hall. That's where we saw the Christmas tree the other night. So, yeah, we're not walking to City Hall. That's a little far. Yeah, clearly there's not many people here. Some local entertainment.
Yes, thank you. One more of Darmadan for you guys. And what is one more topic for you guys? This is a Christian picture. Hello, good evening. Welcome to Rotary.
This is why nobody's here right now. They're all there, which is the City Hall.
Di mo lang alam na iisip kita. Baka sakali ang maisip mo ako. Di mo lang alam hanggang sa inaasam na kita kami. Nagtapos ang lahat sa di inaasahan. Panahon ang pagkakaroon ko. Sana hindi lang ako sanay ako. Di mo lang alam ako. Nasaktan ka pa.
That's what I was looking for earlier. This is kind of cool. I like this. All these little stalls, this footpath.
There's you can sit here.
Yeah, I like this. This is his house.
So you know, that was Marilag 1 and this is Marilag 2.
Okay, I think I know where we are. I remember this footpath in the day.
This is
The Trade Center.
yes.
But I've never seen this at night.
Oh,
I like this. This is cool.
kind of everybody everybody's closing.
Of course. But I like the whole concept. This nice little footpath, no traffic. Should have got a smoothie.
What time is it?
So we're just walking along here. And we're just down that cool footpath. And now we're kind of heading into the night market.
Oh, look at the flower.
Oh, that's pretty.
Or later. Oh,
Just picked up some flowers. Now I'm playing follow the leader.
follow me.
We're not gonna, oh, okay. It's pretty cool how they're able to basically shut down the city. Hello. What's normally a really busy street by day becomes a really popular restaurant at night. I'm with you. Taking my life into my own hands. Tagum City Something and Cultural Center. So this used to be the City Hall, and still referred to as Old City Hall.
Now it's called Tagum City Historical and Cultural Center.
So I guess now we got to quit calling it Old City Hall and call it Tagum City Historical and Cultural Center. But I think it's funny because what is now City Hall, we all still call it New City Hall. It's really cool, all the lights hanging from the trees. Definitely the city's in the holiday spirit.
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
And this is the park behind Old City Hall is called Freedom Park.
People dancing, that's it.
Somewhere over there, at least another one on rollerblades. We've got these guys looking like they're ready to dance. Are we getting ready for a TikTok? So here's the thing. It's 9 o'clock at night. People are still out. They're enjoying themselves. You know, where I come from at 9 o'clock at night, there's nobody in the parks. And if there is somebody in the park, it's usually the kind of people you don't want to run into at night. Whereas here, you know, you got kids dancing or practice dancing, you got skateboarders, you got rollerbladers, You got people walking around enjoying the evening. It's really kind of refreshing. It's not dangerous to be out here at night. Mind you, that's not to say it's safe everywhere. You gotta keep your eyes open. But you know, it's just something I'm not used to seeing at 9 o'clock at night. So just coming in on another approach to the night market, you can see this is an active street. There's traffic coming. But up ahead, that's where they've got it blocked off. Blocked off, and the street continues, but only for pedestrians. It's just really cool. Tagum City at night. Pretty cool. I think the last time I walked you through here, there wasn't quite as many people. It was a little earlier in the evening and people were still setting up. As you can see, just like the parks, pretty busy. People enjoying the evening air and finding things to buy.
Wala, magod. Ay, wala.
So just got back home. It was kind of went through the night market and then pretty much got to the edge, jumped in a tricycle and came home. So there wasn't even enough time to say anything to you. There was also some people kind of creeping around close by, a couple of young girls that, you know, I don't think they were going to steal, but just kind of making it uncomfortable to videotape with them right like beside me. So we came back home and yeah, I was a little walking tour of downtown. It was meant to go to Rotary Park. There was not a whole lot going on there. Then over to Freedom Park, then over to the night market. Yeah, little nighttime excursion through Tagum City. So thank you for watching, and if you are so inclined, don't forget to click the like and the subscribe. Much appreciated if you do, and we'll see you on the next video.